Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Check files by Google app version and the device OS so compatibility isn't the issue. Grant storage permission and any background access. Without these, the app can't read indexes. Once done, force close the app and restart your phone to clear transient cache. Open files immediately so the app can rebuild its view. This initial sequence resolves most visibility problems because it removes permission blocks and forces a fresh scan of internal and SD storage. Next, force a detailed rescan and rebuild the index. Go into File Settings and trigger Clean or any rescan option. This forces the app to recatalog files. If that fails, clear app cache to remove corrupt temporary indexes. Avoid clearing app data unless you've backed up important entries. Also verify SD card is mounted and healthy. Unmount, inspect for errors, then remount. If the card's file system is damaged, files won't show until repaired. So use device storage tools or a PC to check. Finish by reinstalling files by Google to restore default index behavior. This clears lingering faults. Make sure battery optimization or third-party cleaner apps aren't blocking background scans. Disable them temporarily so the app can run fully. If files are still missing, connect the device to a PC and verify file presence directly. Copy important items off before more invasive fixes. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see missing items, run a file system check on the storage medium. Repairing the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.